welcome myself. White crabs. This is my swan. This is my chicken. Baba bring me in the car. Baba said we are very tiny big chicken. This is chicken. This is rabbit. This is bull. This is very scary dinosaur. This is chicken. This is black bear. This is tiger. This is kangaroo. This is hyena. This is elephant. This is rhino. This is another rhino. This is cheetah. This is zebras. This is zebra. This is kangaroo and giraffe and hippo and whale. Another whale. This is lion. This is swan. This is hey. Wait a minute. Hey, another swan. Hey, wait a minute. Look like duck. Wait a minute. Another swan. Yes, this is swan. Whoa. Woody a cat. Cat. Now, does it look like cat or mouse? Or rat? Deer and bear. And giraffe, long-necked giraffe. Also another deer. Bull. Look like another bull. See, like this. Bull. Scary lion. And elephant. And hey, rhinoceros. Wait a minute. Gazelle. And really big bear. And another lion. And also finally rat. Also look like mouse or koala. Koala. Leopard. Another cheetah or seal or tiger. Another elephant. Another zebra or fox or duck. Tiger, camel, deer, chimpanzee, or where is my another goat? Big goat guy. Bye everything. Then another video. Bye.